How to make money online with birds and eggs. Passive income online website on how to make money online with birds and eggs. Not real birds and eggs. Subscribe and ring the bell notification so you can learn how to make money online. I come out with videos pretty much every day, and here we go. On the side, you see that I have replenish account, withdraw funds. Down below, buy birds, eggs, warehouse, egg selling, daily bonus, and silver swap. Over here, there's eggs. The way this works is when you first sign up, you get 300 silver coins for free. Use my link below so you can get that. You'll also get a free green bird, and then you can buy 2 more with that. And then yellow, brown, blue, red. As you can see, you get 5 eggs per hour per one that you buy. For that one and the yellow one, 55 eggs per hour, and it goes from there. So it's really neat. You don't even have to put in real money, but you'll get real money back. In the eggs warehouse, I have 759 eggs. I have not checked this for over 24 hours, and I have not paid any real money for this. And I've had my laptop off, so it is total passive income. So let's go with collect all of my eggs. Now I have collected the eggs, and I'm going to go into the egg selling area. As you can see, now I have 759 eggs to the sum of 7.59 silver coins. 100 eggs equals 1 silver coin. Now, we're going to sell all. So now I have 0 eggs. And over here, I now have $4.21 I can withdraw. And they replenished the account with, I think it's 30%, so that I can keep buying birds and making more eggs, making more money. I also want to show you how to get payment, but first I want to show you the daily bonus you can get. So get bonus, I clicked on that, and it credited me 33 silver coins. So it does 10 to 100 silver coins randomly every 24 hours. And over here, as you can see, now I have $139. Sorry for the blurriness. 139.84 silver coins that I can use to buy birds. Alright, and as you can see, the swap silver is up here, and that's how you swap to make money to get withdrawal. In order to withdraw funds, you click on the withdraw funds. You can get free PayPal, free Perfect Money, free Visa, free MasterCard, free pay year, free pay year. That's a tongue twister. First thing. Anyways, lots to choose from for paying. It is called coinbirds.com. I'm also going to have the information in my description. The link, click on the link below and you can get more free things with teams. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, ring the bell notification, click the link below, and have yourself a very great day.